Okay, so this is just footage for showing how I built a cymatic sounder out of normal PVC tubes and other things. And let's just go through the parts. Okay. So, first of all, we have the elbow, which is the main body. Okay, just forget about this part now. Here's the elbow. Okay, we will be using this as the main body, where through here we will be singing, and on the top we'll be putting our membrane to see the cymatics. Just a normal PVC tube. Here that I've taped onto is a little reduction, okay, just to snuggle fit more the pipe I'll be using. And the reason I taped it as well, even though it fits, is so that the air doesn't escape from the little sides. So I try to keep it quite airtight, maybe not too much, but sort of. Later on, since I wanted to keep it kind of airtight, you'll notice that I have this hole at the bottom. At first I tried to just normally cover it, but I found myself with the problem that I have two male connections, and I couldn't find any female, like, let's say, cover. And what I could have done is maybe like taped it, but I wasn't too convinced. So basically what I did is look for this let's say female connection that would fit, and both are the same size, so this would kind of be like a converter. And like this, I have it fit in, and it's a nice cover, and it's not so sloppy as if with the tape. Although I might tape it around just to keep it airtight, but not too much big of a deal. So let's see what else. The pipe we'll be using is basically just a normal, I think this one is 40 millimeters diameter pipe. And here I also have a little reduction, basically, just to keep it even more fit inside the main body. Let me just show you this. So this is just a reduction also, just to keep this pipe. Normally, with these pieces, there would be a kind of a small inline here that would actually prevent from the pipe from going further in. Normally it would only fit up to here. So what I did is cut off this part so that I could even just bring in the pipe further in. I also just kind of filled in the gap around the diameter, just to also give it a snug fit inside the main body. So yeah, that's just one part of it. Further on we have the pipe, just a normal pipe. So I'll be basically singing through here, and on this side will be coming out the sound. Here I cut the same PVC tube and use the pieces to kind of make it like in a pipe form to redirect the sound upwards. This is because when we're singing, I'm looking to actually send up the sound up towards the membrane and not down into the bottom part of the body. So temporarily I just put on some sellotape just to keep it together, nothing fancy, but I think it'll do the job. On the top part of the body, we can either put just directly the rubber membrane, or we can also try maybe different sizes. So I looked around to get different sizes, just to get maybe a bigger picture. I still have to try it out. So this, you can actually put it onto the top and put on the membrane on here. So the membrane, what I used is this, I think it's called a stitching ring. I'm not quite sure what the correct word is. But with this ring, I also bought a balloon, a black balloon actually. Try to have it as a dark color just to see better the shapes and so on. So I cut off the bottom part of the balloon so that I can stretch it. And once you stretch it on to the whole ring, you can actually close it into, because it's a double ring, which goes with a screw lock. So you can open it and then stretch it and close it back in. And what we get is something like this. Okay, so this is just a normal balloon, nothing special. Yeah, this is actually a smaller ring. I just bought this bigger ring just to try out. I'll need to buy another balloon to actually fit it on the bigger ring. So yeah, you can also maybe try other materials. I'm not quite sure. Balloon seems quite flexible. I don't know if latex could do, or even, you know, paper. I don't know. Just a matter of trying out different things. So yeah, these are the main pieces that you put together. Now just let me show you how it look sort of all together. As you can tell, it's pretty a tight fit, so it's actually quite strong also. Okay, so this is how it looks like from the inside. As you can see, the pipe is looking upwards. And here we have a snug fit also, the pipe. And yeah, that would be the main part. So let's just show you a bit how it comes out like this. It's nothing professional, but you know, it's homemade. Can't expect much from that. I try not to put too much salt, but just enough to actually get a picture. So let me just put this position so you can see better. Put a bit more salt maybe. This is basically trial and error, so we'll see what comes out. I like to spread out the salt on the skin. So okay, let's see what we can get. So we're going to be careful with how you sing into it, because otherwise too strong might just blow away all the salt. The thing is, maybe this might be due to having it kind of airtight, so the air has no escape and it will just pump up the balloon, making everything jump away.